welcome to a new video. This weekend is my birthday weekend, so we're doing some fun festivities I'll bring you guys along with. So yesterday I actually shot with Bridget and we went to this pool park. I have my sister's car here. She let me borrow it for the weekend, so we went somewhere where we like actually could drive and like where we wouldn't typically Uber because it's kind of far away. It's on like 105th Street. It's called the Conservatory Garden, and I'll show you guys what we did there. It was super cute, and definitely if we have a car again I would go back because it was like a good spot for a lot of photos. And so now it's the next day and I am back home. I just got a big shipment from Hotel Collections of some candles that I just did a smell test for them on my Instagram story. They're like these cute candles and they're all inspired by different hotels around the world. So we have like a hotel in Paris, we have the one hotel in Miami, and like the Wynn in Las Vegas. A bunch of different places. I got 4 of them. So if that's something that interests you guys, I have a code and it's KLEAMXO 20 that you guys can use if you want to pick up some candles. They're also having a sale. So tonight, me and Drew are going to Gitano's for dinner. I've never been. I'm very excited. Good morning. I've been really bad at vlogging. Last night, me and Drew went to Gitano Jungle Room. It was cool. It was like all sand and palm tree, and it was cool vibes there. I took some footage on my phone that I'll show you guys. And now we're about to head to Central Park with Bridget and her boyfriend Mitch, and we're gonna have a double date. We're gonna tan in the park and we're gonna go on the little boat and all the fun things in the park. I haven't done, it's also 90 degrees today, so we packed some towels and a bunch of food and some drinks in the cooler, and we're about to head out. Hi vlog! The boys are here. Vegan! Vlog squad? Look how cute Bridget's outfit is. We're finding the little boathouse and we're gonna get on the boats. Yep. It's really hot out today. It's like so we've packed all the necessities for the day. Yep. We've left poor Mitch as the rower. Drew's back there. Me and Bridget are doing nothing. Oh, nice. Okay, it's birthday party time. Here is my outfit, this cute dress, and then I have little white heels on. The whole outfit is from Dolls Kill, and we're getting ready to go to the bar. I'll try to film as much as I can because most likely I will get a little bit faded. So yeah. Also, Ashley made me this cute cake. Yum, I'm excited to eat this. I forgot to show the cute bag I'm using. I got this from The Real. Isn't it stunning? It goes perfectly with this little outfit. All white today. Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Hi guys, I'm back from the weekend. My birthday party was so much fun. I definitely didn't film like anything, but I put in some footage of like Snapchats and stuff that were taken. But yeah, I had a really good time, except I like definitely drank too much because I was very hungover yesterday. Whatever, it's your birthday, you know? So now I am in Connecticut with my family, and Drew's here too. Probably the rest of the vlog will be here. So I just wanted to show you a quick Princess Polly haul. because I got a bunch of cute stuff in the mail, and my discount code for them this month is Klea if you want to get 20% off, and I'll link everything I show you guys in the description. So the first thing I got is this little like oversized t-shirt. I just thought it was really cute, like biker shorts or like jean shorts for summer. I always like t-shirts like that. And then I got these little biker shorts with lace, that these would also be really cute for summer, and they're not see-through at all. They're like thick and nice quality. Then I got this little top. It's like that, and then it has these strings that you like wrap around, and this puffy sleeves. This is like so flattering, and like the perfect little going out top, or even like during the day. It's not like really revealing or anything. And then I got this cute lemon dress. So it has these little lemons on it, and the front is just like a v-neck, puffy sleeves again, and then straight down, and it has a slit as well, and the back is really pretty. It's untied right now, but there's like 2 strings that tie across your back. I thought this would be so cute. And then I got just a little like tote bag to have for like the beach or like anything. I think these are really cute, and it's not like too big, so you can definitely bring this around like wherever. This really cute romper. It'd be hard to see, but it like crisscrosses around, and then it's all like roughly down the bottom. It's like halter, but like the crisscross kind, you know? Super cute. Then I got a little bathing suit. This is so cute. It has like fruit. The only thing is that this is like a bit, it's like very cheeky, so if you don't like that, but I don't know, I think it's cute. This is like one of my favorites. It's just like underwire at the top, and it's like a little crop top. It looks like not much shirt, but it's actually so cute when you wear it. Then lastly, I got this really pretty purple dress. It's like a large gingham print, and then like cute puffy sleeves. And then the back is open, and it has like little strings to tie across. Super cute summery dress. And I got everything in my normal size. So if you want to get any of those or anything on Princess Polly, my code again is Klea, and I linked everything in the description for you guys. Today I'm working because it's Monday. And I also need to like film some stuff in between. And then I tonight want to go to like the beach or something, have dinner there, and then tomorrow's my real birthday. So I don't know what I'll get up to tomorrow, but I took the day off, so I'll have a free day to do whatever I want. Hi! I'm here with Dana, my sister, and Drew. He's already scarfing down on his pizza, but look at this cute setup we have. Got our pizzas here. This place is the best pizza ever. And then we got some wine, except Drew got a bottle that's a cork, and we don't have a cork opener.
Here we go.
But yeah, we're having a night. Look how pretty the area we're in is.
Yeah, this is some real Connecticut shit right here.
Very Connecticut.